kitchen accessories vocabulary. About 100 kitchen accessories name in English with pictures. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. Bowl, cooking pot, stock pot, colander, mixing bowl, wok, frying pan, grill pan, saucepan, strainer, cake pan, paella pan, glass, electric kettle, mug, cup, teapot, kettle, fork, cooking spud, ladle, knife, spoon, tongue, chopping board, cooling rack, rolling board, mortar and pestle, stone mortar and pestle, rolling pin, ramekin, salad spinner, souffle dish, casserole dish, pressure cooker, top, toaster, microwave oven, cauldron, stove, electric stove, induction stove, cleaver, gas cylinder, lighter, matchbox, pasta spoon, gas lighter, jar, dishwasher, cutlery, bucket, kerosene lamp, refrigerator, mixer, hand mixer, stand mixer, water bottle, water dispenser, steamer, slotted spoon, lemon squeezer, slotted spatula, grater, spider strainer, kitchen tongue, masher, Indian spatula, peeler, whisk, measuring spoon, pie server, jug, glass bowl, electric cooker, hand juicer, plate, pastry brush, pie pan, roasting pan, gratin dish, baking tray, sandwich maker, measuring cup, scoop, earthenware, scissors, sponge, vegetable cutter, scrub pads, bread maker, chopstick, deep fryer, salt mill, pepper mill, tissue paper, napkin, dishwash bar, cupboard, kitchen sink, grill scraper, spatula,